Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time this is the another different kind of video. I have bought this Parker Premium Gold fountain pen, and friends, I got it just for 250 rupee, and you can see that this is the fountain pen and it is came with the Parker ink. So the ink is worth 100 rupee. So you can see that this pen it cost almost 150 rupee. So some Parker pens also come with the ink cartridge. So if you want to buy a cartridge, it also comes with the around 80 to 100 rupee. So therefore the ink which is coming with this pen is very good. So guys, my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And now I am opening. You can see that without scissor, it was impossible to take it down. So I made use of the scissor. And now it is opened. And here you can say this is the pen itself. You can see the pen, and it has a great nib of this pen. And if you open this top, you can see this is the pen. Now I am opening the pen. So this pen comes with the ink converter. You can see this is the ink converter, and you can also add the ink cartridge in it, so you can fill it or you can use the cartridge also. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can fill the ink in it, and then I will also tell you that how you can have ink cartridge. You can see, so here is a button, you have to make it low, and then you have to put it inside the ink, and after that you have to pull this button already in the pen. But friends, you need something that you have to clean this pen before you use. Now I'm writing on the paper. You can see how it is. Look, it is the the sharp fine tip is there, and when I write down anything, so friends, the writing that it is the fine nip is there, and the writing, just I'm just going to write down something here. Parker